Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. I have some videos for you to check out. They'll help you get your small engines and lawnmowers fixed. I have a whole collection of them. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine, and today I'm going to teach you some easy ways to restring some basic recoil assemblies off small engines. This one here is off a push mower, a Briggs & Stratton push mower. A lot of times, you know, dogs or just the weather will rot one of these ropes. So you have your string here, and I'll show you some easy ways how to restring these. So on this one here, the string's caught in here, so the easiest way to do is take a small screwdriver and just go in here, find the loose end, and get it out of there. I'm going to just take the rest of it out. And if you have your handle still, go ahead and pull it out. Then on push mowers, your rope needs to be 7 foot long, at least 7 foot long, because you always have the handle on the handlebars. So we got our number 4 rope, and when you get it, what I do is I take a lighter and melt the ends so they don't fray out. Just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do on this, on one of these ends, we're going to go ahead and put a knot in. This is the easiest way to do this. So you got your knot on one end, so we'll go ahead and tighten this up. You got to make at least 6 revolutions, sometimes even 7. You don't want to do it too much or you'll break the spring. Okay, then you'll line up that hole to where it goes out of the hand out of the way here. What we'll do is we'll stick this end in here, and we'll guide it. And we'll run all the strings through it. And grab on this and just let it run in. You need that extra for on your handles. Go ahead and stick that in there. Grab your needles. And there you go. Okay, that's that one there. Then we have a recoil that came off a 5 horsepower Briggs water pump. And now these times these will get wet and they'll start fraying and stuff, and they'll get so it won't recoil in. So on these here, the rope's not broke, so we're just going to replace the rope. You bring it all the way out. I'm going to stick a screwdriver in here so it can't move. Put it in here out of the way. That way the tension's already on the spring there. And we'll take our old rotted rope out. And these are usually like about 4 or 5 foot long. We'll go ahead and pull them out. And we got same size rope. And on these here, I like heating up the ends so they don't fray out. It stays all nice together. See how they're all frayed out? We'll heat her up. And just like that, they won't fray out for you. So, same as before, take your rope, go ahead and put your knot into one side. Take your pliers, cinch on there, make it really tight. It's never going to come loose. And then if we had it pulled all the way out, there's already tension on it. So, we'll stick it in there. We'll line it up with the hole. Push it on through. And look at that. Put the handle on. Put your knot in there. And there you go. Okay, we got one more here. This comes off one of them Chinese generators. PowerTech generator. This one was broke. So, I'm just going to take the old rope out of here. I'll tighten up this a little bit more. And we'll stick a screwdriver in there so it keeps the tension on it. And on these here, we'll go ahead and heat these ends up. Okay, I'll go ahead and make our knot. Okay, go ahead and pull our screwdriver out. Stick that in the hole on the pulley. Sometimes it can be a pain in the butt. And there you go. And just put your handle on. And there you go. Well, thank you for watching this video. And you have a good afternoon.